Are you interested in growing an herb garden? Today we're exploring 10 immune-boosting herbs every cottagecore home should grow. Perfect for those just starting a cozy herb patch, these herbs bring effortless beauty to your garden, are simple to grow, beautiful to display, and wonderful for your health. We'll cover the benefits, how to grow them, how to use them, and how to harvest. Everything you need to bring a little natural wellness into your home. Echinacea, also known as coneflower, is a true cottage garden classic. Its interesting blooms are not just a cheerful addition to your garden. They're packed with antioxidants and have been traditionally used at the first sign of a sniffle or tiredness. Its roots and petals can be used to make soothing teas or tinctures that support your immune system throughout the colder months. Combine with mint, ginger, honey, or lemon balm for a smoother flavor. Lemon balm is a gentle, calming herb that's perfect for everyday use, especially when stress starts to weigh on your immune system. It's a calming herb that reduces stress, and stress affects immunity. Calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and improve sleep. It thrives in part shade and spreads easily, making it a wonderful addition to a dedicated herb patch, even for a beginner gardener. You can enjoy its bright, citrusy flavor in fresh or dried teas, or add a few leaves to summer water alongside mint for a refreshing garden-inspired drink. Just cut stems before flowering, tie bundles or dry in an airy spot, crumble leaves when dry and store them in a jar. Thyme is a hardy little herb that is practical as it is beautiful, making it a staple for any cottagecore herb patch. Known for supporting respiratory wellness and packed with antioxidants, it's especially comforting in winter teas or savory broths. Another herb perfect for beginners, it's a low-maintenance perennial that will keep returning year after year. A few sprigs in a simmering winter soup or a cozy roast can fill your kitchen with a warm herbal aroma that instantly feels like home. Snip any time, cut before flowering for drying, strip leaves when stems are crispy dry. Rosemary is a wonderfully fragrant herb that brings warmth and comfort to both your garden and your kitchen. Rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and reduces anxiety, it's a perfect companion for winter wellness. I love running my hands over the stems just for the smell. You can enjoy its fresh leaves in teas, infused oils, herb salts, or just add a few sprigs to roasted vegetables and winter breads for a subtle aromatic lift. Trim stems as needed, hang to dry, or chop and freeze. Use soft new growth for tea. Ginger is a warming tropical herb that's perfect for supporting both digestion and immunity during the colder months. While you can plant it outside if you want to treat it as an annual, ginger loves a cozy indoor spot with bright indirect light and evenly moist soil, making it ideal for a sunny kitchen windowsill. You can use fresh slices in teas, syrups, or infused honey, or add it to soups for a gentle winter boost. Garlic is a classic winter wellness herb, cherished for centuries for its immune-supporting qualities. Plant the cloves in fall, and by summer you'll have beautiful fragrant bulbs ready to harvest. Garlic is incredibly versatile. You can roast it, spread it on bread, infuse it in honey, or add it to soups, stews, and broths for a simple nourishing boost. And, as a bonus, if you plant garlic around your tulip bulbs, the squirrels won't eat them. When lower 3 to 4 leaves have turned brown, but the top leaves are still green, harvest them. Mint is one of the easiest herbs to grow, making it perfect for beginner gardeners. Its bright, refreshing flavor soothes the stomach and supports winter respiratory wellness, while adding a cheerful touch to teas, syrups, or cold infusions. Mint is best grown in containers to keep it from spreading too much in your garden. You can harvest the stems anytime, especially right before flowering, and then hang or lay them flat to dry. Oregano is a strong, aromatic herb that's been cherished for both flavor and wellness for centuries. Rich in antioxidants, it has traditionally been used to support respiratory and winter health. I've found great success with oregano oil in pill form. You can enjoy it in fresh teas, broths, or infused oils, or dry sprigs to add warm, comforting flavors to cozy winter soups and dishes. To harvest, before flowering, trim it. Dry upside down or strip leaves on a tray. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, is an adaptogenic herb that supports both mood and immunity, making it a wonderful daily herbal tea. It grows much like regular basil, and for most climates, it's an annual. You can enjoy tulsi fresh or dried, and it pairs beautifully with mint, lemon balm, or even rose petals for a fragrant, calming tea. Though not technically a herb, a hedge of berries that provide nourishment is very cottagecore. Elderberry is a true winter wellness favorite, full of antioxidants and long celebrated for its immune supporting qualities. While the berries are delicious in syrups, jams, teas, or honey infusions, it's important to cook them first. Raw elderberries aren't safe to eat. Harvest them when they turn a rich, deep purple black, so you can enjoy a homemade winter tonic whenever you need a little extra support. If elderberries grow wild where you are, they are easily propagated from hardwood or softwood cuttings, root cuttings, or suckers. These 10 herbs that are simple to grow, beautiful to display, and wonderfully supportive of your immune system. Whether you're just starting your cozy herb patch or adding to a well-loved garden, these plants bring both charm and wellness to your home.